the tale of Medusa is like really dumb to me.
Why?
Because she was the victim the entire time, from being assaulted by Poseidon to being transformed into a monster by Athena and then killed by Perseus. She was just a victim the entire time.
Yeah. It's crazy to think about the framing, but it also aligns deeply with what women experience in this world.
Mm.
Oftentimes, when they are victimized, they are then people do a lot of crazy reworking to make them responsible for it, or the monsters themselves for even wanting justice or sharing their experience and being transparent. So I'm glad you caught on.
Yeah, it's just so it's so cruel.
It is. It's definitely cruel.